Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's time again for weekend cooking. And today, actually, it's not about cooking, it's about baking. I'm sure you have been in this situation as well. The in-laws are already in front of the door, expecting coffee and cake, and you do not have anything in the fridge. Well, problem solved. I want to show you today this super easy, super fast, and simple to make cinnamon swirl cake recipe with ingredients that you have in the house, and it takes only 5 minutes to prepare, and just half an hour later you can serve an amazing cake to your in-laws. So let's have a look what you need and let's get started. First, you prepare the batter. For the batter you need 100 grams melted unsalted butter, 450 grams all-purpose flour, 180 grams sugar, 20 grams baking powder, 8 grams vanilla sugar and a pinch of salt, 2 eggs and 350 milliliters milk. In a mixing bowl, combine the dry ingredients and mix a couple of seconds to blend. Add milk and eggs and beat for 1.5 minutes to develop the cake structure. Scrape down the sides and add the melted butter. Continue beating until the structure is strengthened. Then scrape the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the surface with a spatula. Next, prepare the topping. You need 200 grams of soft butter, 140 grams brown sugar, 20 grams cinnamon and 20 grams flour. In a medium bowl, combine all the ingredients and mix to blend until smooth. Next, add the topping to the batter by distributing lumps with a spoon on top of it. Swirl topping and batter with a fork as much or as little as you like. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius, that's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cake for 35 to 40 minutes on the medium rack, and best check with a toothpick whether the cake is ready or not yet. While the cake is baking in the oven, you prepare the glaze. You need 250 grams icing sugar, 8 grams vanilla sugar and 70 milliliters milk. Combine all ingredients in a medium-sized bowl and whisk them until you have a smooth glaze. Once the cake is ready from baking, let it cool for a moment and then pour the glaze evenly over the cake. And you're done. Here we go. Really good. If you like cinnamon, this is your cake, and your in-laws will be happy as well. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for joining. You have a great weekend. Enjoy your cinnamon swirl cake and see you next time. Thanks and bye.